cell.
Cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is the smallest unit that can perform all life processes.
Matthias Leiden discovered that plants are made up of cells, and Robert Brown discovered that nucleus are composed of human jig cells.
What are the different structure of a plant cell?
Cell membrane surrounds the cell to selectively screen the kinds of substances that goes in and out of the cell.
Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance made of dissolved proteins and liquid.
Cell wall is a protective layer of a plant cell.
Nucleus stores cells' hereditary DNA and controls cellular activities like growth, protein synthesis, metabolism, and lastly, reproduction.
Nucleolus is a suborganelle of nucleus, composed of proteins and ribonucleic acids or RNA, whose role to assemble for protein synthesis.
Nuclear envelope is a double membrane lipid layer enclosed to the nucleus to protect the DNA and nucleoplasm.
Nucleoplasm is a gelatinous liquid inside the nucleus, containing enzymes and nucleotides.
Chromatin are cellular bundles made up of complex micromolecules such as DNA, RNA, and protein.
Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration, also known as powerhouse of cell.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum, the grainy structure of the cell, and in charge of the production of the proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum not covered with ribosomes and involves synthesis of carbohydrates, lipids, and enzymes.
Golgi bodies consist of stuck, flattened sacs and receive proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and enzymes from the ER.
Vacuum found in both plants and animals and is used for temporary storage of nutrients, water, and waste.
Plastid pigment-bearing organelle involved in making and storing food.
Cytoskeleton are networks of fibers extending throughout cytoplasm and provide mechanical support to the cell.
Centrioles play a major role in cell division and composed of 9 sets of triplet microtubules. All of these are known as cell organelles, which are membranous components inside the cell.
Also remember that animal cells are not surrounded by cell walls unlike plant cells.
The backbone of plant cell is much bigger than the animals.
And that's everything na ba?